So something I'm working on here is the top of these actually messed up, so I fixed it. So I'm cutting these V grooves in them, or these grooves that just go. I think you've seen me do this on the channel before. Let's see if this is where I was before. Okay, I've got them all cut now. So much stuff remained. Alright, so cut the trenches out of the mask, or the face part. And what we're going to do now is we're going to glue in these spots on. We're going to put the glue in them, and then we'll glue them together, and I'll see you then. Alright, got a heat gun going, and we're going to put these visors in I've just made into our helmet here. And I got it painted. I did not record it. I recorded just a little bit of it. Sorry about that, guys. It's been a long week. Now let's go ahead and start putting these in. Well, this video is done. This thing doesn't even fit on me, but it fits on with the bigger head. Honestly, I think I did really good with this. Not that bad. I think the paint needs to dry still because it's a little sticky. But this is War Machine from Endgame. Hope you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Well, later.